Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Canva using login protections and recovery options, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Canva, begin by navigating to the Canva website or opening the Canva app. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. You will be presented with several login options. If you already have an email and password, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, enter your password in the corresponding field. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. This will prompt you to enter the email address associated with your account. After entering your email, click the Send Recovery Link button. Check your email inbox for a message from Canva. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Once you have created a new password, return to the login page. Enter your email and the new password to access your account. For added security, you may enable two-factor authentication. Log into your Canva account and navigate to the account settings. Locate the security section. Here, you will find the option to enable two-factor authentication. Click on the toggle to activate this feature. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method for receiving authentication codes. You can select either SMS or an authenticator app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, you will receive a code each time you log in from a new device. Enter the code when prompted to gain access to your account. For account recovery, ensure your email address and phone number are up to date in your account settings. This will provide you with multiple options in case you need to recover your account. Regularly review your security settings to maintain account safety. By following these steps, you can ensure secure authentication with Canva and have peace of mind when accessing your designs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.